Well, it's Scott again. Sorry about the background noise. Today I'm actually out on the dock, enjoying a gorgeous day in East Tennessee. I wanted to give a short tour of Facebook. So this is a Facebook page. This is actually my Facebook page. Facebook's a social networking site where you can put a little bit of information about yourself. You can put photos of friends and families. You can link it into other web services, things like my Xbox Live gamer cards. So my son, who's 7, and I play Rock Band. So I don't have a very good score. He has a really good score. And you can also begin to link to your friends. Um, One of the things that I did want to show is Facebook's continued to have this kind of super exponential growth that we're seeing in a lot of internet technologies. Likewise, the demographics that are using Facebook's changed quite recently, so we're starting to see the demographics start to look more like standard U.S. demographics rather than just kids. Well, wait a second as the bass boat goes by. Goodbye, bass boat. Okay, now back to Facebook. So we can now, from here I can like click on my friends and see people who I've acknowledged making a social relationship with. So if I click friends, here's just some random friends. We can sort them by recently updated. So who's been making changes? Looks like Erica's updated some pictures. Now one of the interesting things that's starting to become available as these web services are becoming in standard formats are the ability to start pulling things together like social networks. So play the 6 Degrees of Kevin Bacon game. Okay, so here are the collection of all my friends, and it's starting to, uh-oh, here comes another boat. And it's a race. Anyway, back to the demo of social networking. So you'll see here, these are people who I know, and then they disclose who they know, and from there you can start figuring out what they have in common. So I have a group of friends that live in Washington, D.C. or have connections to Washington, D.C. I have a group of friends that have connections to Knoxville, Tennessee. And then I have other people who maybe didn't disclose where they live. So Cousin Tim lives in California. I don't know many other people that live in California. Eric lives here in Tennessee, but he didn't put in his Facebook profile where he lives. So it's all based on what information you've made available. But also, if we go into these, it started to tag the photos of Wade as this photo has Wade McNair in it, which means that as tools about social facial recognition start coming online, that's going to start getting scary. We'll be able to start running queries like, show me all photographs of Wade. Last thing I wanted to show today was a new three-dimensional search engine. So as all this data starts coming online, there's new ways to be able to visualize it. So now I'm going to search for ORNL and let the page start building itself. So over here on the right, you'll see the standard results for ORNL. Okay, just like what you'd see on Google, just standard search results. And then here in the middle, you'll start seeing a map of the search results, so clustering of the data. ORNL, the primary cluster of the data is around the term Oak Ridge National Laboratory. There's another clustering of data, let's say over here on postdoc. There's another one over here on U.S. ITER Project Office. Another one over here on bioenergy. So, and then this is a nice three-dimensional graph, and you can see different search terms and how the information's clustered together. Anyway, that's it for today.